this is Shilpa Sarkar, Light Language Healer, Tarot and Oracle Card Reader. I'm here today to give you a weekly energy update with the help of my Oracle cards. Today I'm using the Quantum Energy deck and with the help of the cards, let us see what Divine wants to communicate to us. And with this energy weekly forecast, I hope we all are able to receive some clarity, joy, hope, and are able to navigate through the week with love and ease. So let us see what the upcoming week is bringing at our doorstep. Today I am using the Quantum Energy Oracle deck and let us see what it has to say. So the Anchor card, the energy of the Anchor card is going to affect most of the people, and this is a general reading, take whatever resonates. So Anchor card is intention, and intention, it's pointing towards a hidden motivation in reverse. So we are carrying forward the work of the last week. Last week also we received the message from the Divine that we really need to check our motivations, we really need to check our intentions, and we need to be honest and authentic with what we truly desire, right? So this energy is carry forwarding in this week as well. We have not done the work completely and we have to resume the work authentically and honestly as much as possible. Now the energy of challenges, if I see, it is pointing towards the events, a creative endeavor. This says that you are really focusing on your creative projects, or you want to channelize your creative energy effortlessly, but you're facing some block, there is some obstacle. Either you're not connected to your intuition, or you're connected to your creative energy, but some or the other thing is happening and you're not able to succeed at whatever you're aiming to do, right? So there is a blockage or delay in the events of your creative endeavor, not leading to your satisfaction. And somewhere this block is arising because behind the scenes we have work to do. We need to check with our motivations and also the motivation with people we are working with, either in personal life or professional life. Now let us see what is the foundation for this week. And foundation for this week is the card of Teacher reverse. So it is indicating towards resistance in taking advice, or it is indicating me that somewhere you are not open enough to look for proper training or proper guidance from a person who is very professional, from a person who is experienced in the respective field, from the person. It can be a person you really need to go and take advice from. It can be a friend, it can be a teacher, it can be a professional, it can be a counselor, or it can be even a tarot card reader, right? So if you're holding yourself back from taking advice or taking any kind of training, this is the week you need to work on your resistance and move forward with a goal, right? Now let us see what are the lessons which you have already learned in your previous life, through your previous life experiences, which you have to put in work this week. And it is again lot of reverse cards we are receiving. So this is the reverse card, Stuck Energy. So I know from past 2 weeks the kind of energy which we are perceiving, it is not very smooth, it is not very easy. Either we are having internal issues or we are facing external blockages. And I am sure you will agree with me that some of the other situations which are which you're facing are similar patterns of negativity which you have faced earlier as well. But there is a rainbow here, there is still greenery, and there is a hope that you have learned your experiences, you know how to navigate through this negativity, you know how to overcome this blockages. You just have to gain your willpower, be hopeful, use all the experiences. Here the rainbow I take take it as a message that, you know, the experience which you have already in your system registered, you just need to put into action, and you just have to come out of this stuck energy. I mean, you are this person who knows, who can just get down out from the car, and who can just walk and take a new path and enjoy the scenery or the blessings which are there. So just shift your focus and see how you can come out of this stuck energy. Now let us see what is the highest potential this week holds for you, and it is the card of intention, back and forth, which again leads to the hidden motivation thing. You're still very uncertain about your desires, so, and the energy is coming from past 2 weeks. So I think it's high time this week, get to the issue, get to the root of the issue, sit with yourself, if required sit with a pen and paper and write down your desires, write down your intentions, and please try to be as authentic with yourself as possible if you really want to break this pattern which is consistent from past 3 weeks. And I'm sure you do not want to enter into a new year with this negative energies or heaviness, right? Let us see what is the highest possible outcome this week can give to you if you use these advices or the guidance into your life. So it is again the card of intention, playing it safe. We have received majority of the cards of intention, which means a lot of work needs to be done within ourselves. The outer environment is just the reflection of the inner conflicts which is happening. Playing it safe tells me that, you know, you're trying to avoid risk, you're still in your comfort zone, you're not ready to challenge your own limits, and this week is the time. If you choose to get out of your comfort zone, you will be blessed with abundance of blessings. But if you try to play it safe, if you're not taking the risk which is required to achieve the desired outcome or goal that you really want to manifest in your life, then you know you will get what you put out in the universe. Perfect. Now let us see what are the 4 elements which can help us to work through these patterns and energies. And it is the energy of letting go. Element 1 is the energy of letting go. Element 2 is deception. Element 3 is the loving woman in reverse. And element 4 is optimism. So I see here the interplay of energy, consciousness, people and events. You see how these elements are playing together. I mean, when you put out the energy of letting go, when you are trying to let go of what is not serving you, when you are not holding on to tightly, whether it is your hidden motivation, whether it is your desires which is not working for you, or whether it is people or situation, when the energy of letting go is put out, you know, you will be able to see the deception in the events happening around. It could be, so I'm not saying that people are out there to pull you down or to deceive you, but definitely because you are back, there is a back and forth in your intention, there is less authenticity in your energy. You will be attracting situations or people whom you know later on you will feel as if you were deceived by them, because that is what you put out. So better you rectify these vibrations within yourself and to avoid these events of deception. But at the same time, this is also a warning that be aware, be alert, choose wisely and protect yourself from any kind of deception happening around. Now the card of people, loving woman in reverse, which means that somewhere, you know, I feel I connect to this with the challenges, card of challenges, which is blockage in your creative endeavor. So here as a people, I'm perceiving this card as a feminine energy. You know, your creativity is linked to your femininity. So the creative women inside you, irrespective of whether you are a male or a female, is disconnected. You're disconnected with your creative side, and you really need to nurture yourself. This is time for self-care. This is time for self-nurturing. This is time for reconnecting with your inner joy, inner creative women. Now we also have the element card, consciousness, optimism. So this is a very positive card. So even though the energies are still heavy, we are still carry forwarding the lessons or the inner work or the shadow work from past many days, but there is a hope. I see that somewhere you are putting down your resistance and you're entering into a consciousness of optimism, wherein you're telling the universe that I am ready to do the inner work. And with this kind of an attitude, you can see all you have is abundance of blessing around, and you are free to receive those blessings. You're free from all the baggage, and this brings in fresh energies, renewal, regeneration, and a shift in your life pattern as well. So again, next 7 days, a little heavy work to be done, especially with your intentions. There is still letting go needs to happen. There is still risk taking that needs to happen. You have to still manage your hidden motivations. You have to come out of your stuck energy, and at the same time you have to put down the resistance to go towards a teacher hook or get a training, or take or receive help from people around. So don't play it safe. Trust the divine, trust your life purpose, take the risk, and come out of this pattern of negativity with hope, joy, and clarity in your heart. So I hope this reading helps you to go through the next week with love and grace, and I hope these readings are adding value into your life. And if you're resonating with them, please do comment in the comment section and let me know how these readings are helping you. Stay safe, stay blessed.